Good morning, everyone. We know that India had 28 states and 8 union territories. Today we are learning our state and capitals. Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Assam Dispur. Nagaland Kohima. Manipur Imphal. Mizoram Aizawl Tripura Agartala Meghalaya Shillong. Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur. Punjab Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh Shimla. Uttarakhand Dehradun. Haryana is also Chandigarh. Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar.